Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel Tab. In front of me, LENOVO Tab Extreme, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when screen is not respond. To resolve this problem, you need to press and hold together power and volume. So as you can see, this is the volume up, so we need to press and hold together power and volume up buttons. After 10 seconds, release only volume up and press and hold volume down, but don't release power button. When you will see Lenovo logo, release both keys. So of course, it will not help you if your screen is damaged. Of course, this function is helpful only when Lenovo OS or Android with GUI system is just frozen, and in this situation it can help you. But if you have damaged your screen, so you need to take advice to the customer service. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.